to introduce to you myself. My name is Elisa Caprice. I'm 40 years old. I have two sons, all in college now. And I'm presently living at Bajada, Davao City. My college attainment, my education attainment was, I studied 2 years in college, taking commerce, major in accounting, in Ateneo de Davao University and Notre Dame of Marble College. I never had a chance to graduate because of some financial difficulties. My skills. I am proud to tell you that I am a very good cook, especially when it comes to Filipino dishes, but I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese foods. My job experience, I worked for 2 years as a house helper in Mayor's family back there in our place in Coronadal City. I was the one who took care of their home. I do the cooking, I do the laundry, I do the ironing, I take care of their pets. And most of all, I do all the households.
Can you handle and take care of newborn babies?
Yes, sir, mom. Because I myself, as a mother, and I know how to take care of newborn babies.
If the baby cries, what will you do?
First thing I would have to do is to check if the diaper of the baby is wet. I need to change them. Then check again if the baby is hungry. Feed them with milk and solid food for older babies.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family, especially my two kids. They are all in college now. And I need to earn for a living in order to sustain our financial difficulties, especially now that we are facing a big crisis here in our country.
If you are lucky to be selected, what can you promise to your future employer?
Sir, mom, if I will be selected to be your domestic helper, I will be grateful and happy to serve your family to the best of my knowledge and ability. And I know that I'm very good when it comes to taking care of kids and children. Sir, mom, I promise to commit myself to be the best house helper that you have in your home. Please choose me. Thank you. Good day.